Hello, welcome to our channel. This is our second video, and today we are talking about what makes coronavirus alarmingly dangerous. To begin, COVID-19 is caused by a coronavirus called SARS coronavirus 2. It is named for the bulb-tip spikes that project from the virus's surface and give the appearance of a corona surrounding it. SARS coronavirus 2 has all the same genetic equipment as the original SARS coronavirus, which caused a global outbreak in 2003. In the global outbreak starting in 2019, it took 67 days from the first reported case of coronavirus to reach the first 100,000 cases, and 11 days for coronavirus to reach 200,000 cases after the first 100,000 cases were reported. Why is this, you may ask? Well, a coronavirus infection usually acts as an infection in the lungs that's similar to the common cold, which makes it so easy to spread from person to person as influenza and infects the upper respiratory system. The virus also attacks the lower respiratory tract, the bronchial tubes, and the lungs, where it can lead to pneumonia. It grows in type 2 lung cells, which secretes a soap-like substance that helps air slip deep into the lungs and in cells lining the throat. It also acts as an infection in the gut that causes diarrhea. Also, as of now, there is no vaccine, which adds to the issue. Obesity and other chronic conditions, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and underlying heart, lung, and kidney diseases, increase the risk of severe infection. In addition, there is a prevalence of this virus among older people who already lack strength owing to old age and for some with dementia. In the next slide, we will compare the normal response of the body versus those with patients with coronavirus. In response, the body would attempt to fight the invader virus by starting a cyclical overreaction of the body's immune system called the cytokine storm. Under normal circumstances, the response peaks early and would thus clear the virus by helping produce antibodies and T cells specific for the virus. However, in many COVID-19 patients, the cytokine response sticks around too long and too strongly. Millions of cells from the immune system invade the infected lung tissue and cause massive amounts of damage in the process of cleaning out the virus and any infected cells. This can cause problems for clot formation and kidney damage and heart damage. In usual cells would call out for help by making alarm signaling proteins. However, COVID-19 blocks the cells from making the proteins by snipping off protein markers from the cell and shredding any antiviral instructions that the cell makes before they can be used. Some reasons for why the growth of coronavirus is so quick is because it is easy to spread. Because the COVID-19 virus is found in the upper airway, including the mouth and nose, the infection can be spread through means of coughing and sneezing, which makes it so easy to be exposed to when in the public. There is currently no development of vaccine, like we said before, and it mutates very quickly. Some alarming stats include the fact that 5.3% of the 0.1% infected by COVID-19 lead to death, and it spiked to 9 million cases in 6 months, and is 10 times more deadly than the seasonal flu. In response, countries and health officials were unaware and unprepared. Most approaches to helping their countries failed, and most did not recognize the severity caused by the virus. In addition, this virus has never been seen in humans, so absolutely no one is immune to it. This is it for the video. Thank you for following along our video, and we hope you all stay safe.